umnotho waseNingizimu Afrika ontengantengayo usungakwazi uphinde usimame maduzana. Uhulumeni usuqale uhlelo olusha lokwakha ingqalazinda la eNingizimu Afrika loku okuzosimamisa umnotho. Umongameli waseNingizimu Afrika uCyril Ramaphosa uthi lolu bhubhane uCovid-19 luhlakazile umnotho wezwe.
And infrastructure is the one that is going to stabilize the economy of our country as we stabilize many other areas as well. And through this, we will be able to create the jobs that are going to be lost. We'll be able to prop up the companies that are now ailing and are going to go through difficult times.
Omele osomabhizinisi abamnyama uSandile Zungu uthi ukwakhiwa kwengqalazinda kahulumeni esikhathini esiningi bona njengosomabhizinisi abamnyama bavalelwa ngaphandle.
Coupled by malfeasance, it was coupled by exclusion. So we're here to make sure that such unfortunate experiences of the past don't repeat themselves.
uJackmare uthi uhulumeni ngeke akwazi ukwakha lengqalazinda yedwa.
The government will not be able to finance these projects. Yes, they will be state-led. They have to be state-led, but they have to be financed by the private sector.
Umongameli uthi ukwakhiwa kwengqalazinda entsha akumele ibe semadolobheni kuphela. Lengqalazinda kumele ifinyelele nasendaweni zasemakhaya ukuze laba abadla imbuya ngothi bekwazi ukuthola nemisebenzi. Ngingusamkele Maseko, wezindaba ze SABC ePitoli.